Good morning, students. We will study about chapter 3, democracy and diversity. So this is our topic also, chapter 3, democracy and diversity. And first topic is a story from Mexico Olympics. Mexico Olympics were held in 1968. In 1968, Olympics were held in Mexico City, and this is a story which is related with the 200 meters race of Mexico Olympics in 1968. So in 1968, medal ceremony of 200 meters race was being conducted in Mexico City in America. So in that ceremony, two athletes of USA, Tommy Smith and John Carlos and Smith, Tommy Smith and John Carlos clenched their fists and appraised. उन्होंने अपनी फिस्ट को क्लेंच किया, अप्रेज किया. So Smith and Carlos clenched their fists, upraised, and heads were bowed in this way, and fists were clenched. So this was the scene of Carlos and Smith in the medal ceremony of Mexico in 200-meter race. What happens? Why did they do so? When American national anthem was played, जब अमेरिका का नेशनल एंथम बजाया जा रहा था उस समय उन्होंने ऐसा किया. They have won gold medal and bronze medals respectively. Smith won gold medal and Carlos won bronze medal. When they were receiving medals, they were wearing black socks without shoes. जब वो मेडल लेने गए तो ब्लैक सॉक्स पहने थे, शूज नहीं थे. So this is representing the black poverty in USA. अब क्वेश्चन ये रेज होता है कि एक गेम्स के मंच पर पॉलिटिकल इश्यू को क्यों रेज किया गया. यही कारण है कि आने वाले ओलंपिक्स में इनको टीम से बाहर कर दिया गया. इसी तरह से इनके एक साथी और थे जिनको सिल्वर मेडल मिला था, एंड ही वॉज ऑस्ट्रेलियन, not American. Australian athlete was Peter Norman. Peter Norman also supported wearing a human rights badge on his shirt. Peter Norman ने भी अपनी शर्ट पर ह्यूमन राइट्स का बैच पहना और इसको सपोर्ट किया. बाद में in 2006 when Norman was died, Carlos and Smith also take part in his cremation. उसके अंतिम संस्कार में ये भी वहाँ पर गए थे. So this is the starting of the civil rights movement. Civil rights movement in USA. USA के अंदर ये civil rights movement की शुरुआत है. So this is the story which is related with the civil rights movements. That issue has been raised by two African American athletes, Smith and Carlos, and supported by Australian Peter Norman. So this is related with the human rights. Thank you so much.